Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Valentina. I'm a makeup lover and I like to test new makeup products, and in today's video I have a new mascara to test and it's by Sephora. I have this Big By Definition mascara by Sephora and I'm going to show you how I created this makeup look by using some of my favorite makeup products. This is a very easy makeup look that I like to do. So if you like what you see and want to find out more, then keep on watching. I already have my eyebrows on, and for my foundation I'm going to use this Luminous Silk by Giorgio Armani. And I'm going to apply this foundation with the Real Techniques brush. This is multitask brush. It's very good for liquids, so I really like to use this one for my foundation. And I will go over with my beauty blender to blend the foundation into the skin. For my concealer, I am going to use this Estee Lauder Double Wear. This concealer is an all-time favorite of mine. It has a medium coverage and I like it very much because it's waterproof, sweat resistant, look very pretty all day. So I'm going to use it for today as my concealer. This Double Wear concealer goes very well with the Luminous Silk foundation, but it's a perfect match with my all-time favorite Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. But I have to mention that it's also good with this. To set the concealer and my foundation in place, I'm going to use my new favorite powder, and this Airbrush Flawless Finish by Charlotte Tilbury. I got this powder in December and I've been using it since then. It's a very good powder, sets everything in place but leaves the skin airbrushed and flawless. So this is my new favorite powder for every day. I have this in the shade Fair. I really like how my skin looks so far, and I'm going to move on to blush and bronzer. And for my bronzer, I'm going to use this GloWish by Huda Beauty. I have this in the shade Light. This is a pretty and long-lasting bronzer, but I don't really like the tone of this bronzer. Look a little bit muddy on my fair skin, but it's nice if you layer a good blush on top. And for my blush, I'm going to use this Pillow Talk Cheek to Chic by Charlotte Tilbury. This is from the original Pillow Talk collection. I also got this in December. I use this one every day. It's very long lasting, which is nice. So I'm going to use this bronzer, this blush for today. This blush has a pretty glow to it, so I'm not going to add a highlighter. Now that I'm done with my skin, I'm going to move on to my eyes. And I really want to do something very simple for today on my eyes because I have a new mascara to test. So for my eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use this Dior. This is Dior Backstage Eye Palette in 004 Rosewood Neutrals. I have a previous video when I used this for the first time. The shadows from here are very pigmented and you can do so much with it. You can do something for an everyday look or something for a night out. I love that this also comes with a primer, and the primer is also very good. And because I have oily eyelids, I have to use an eyeshadow primer, so it will not crease throughout the day. So I'm going to start with this primer all over the eyelids. To set my eyeshadow primer, I'm going to use this color from here. So I've just used this color all over the eyelids and also on my lower lash line. I will take this. This is a very subtle and pretty shimmer. I'm going to apply this all over the eyelids, and then I will go with a deeper color very close to my lash line. So I'm going to show you what I like to do. Just grab this with the same brush. I never try with a brush, so let me try it right now. Okay, work very nice with a brush. And then I will take an angled brush and use this color from here, closer to my lash line, on the upper and the lower lash line. And on the lower lash line, I use just a little bit of shadow, so I could do like a cat eye effect. It's very nice, it's very pretty and easy to do. And I'm going to use this Natasha Denona mini Biba palette. I really like this for my inner corner. I think it's very pretty. So I'm going to quickly apply this on my inner corners. And to finish the eye look, I'm going to apply the new mascara that I have to test for today's video. And I have this new mascara by Sephora, this SEPHORA Big By Definition. This is the name of the mascara. This is how it looks like. I think this mascara is new. I saw it at Sephora and it was displayed as a new mascara. So I thought that I have to try it and see if it's good. This mascara is volumizing and has a lash multiplying effect. Sounds great. So let's see how the wand looks like. This is the wand. Looks like something that is going to be easy to use. So I'm going to apply the mascara on this eye and see the results. I already messed this up, but no problem. So these are my lashes with one coat of the mascara. It's very pigmented, this mascara. As a first impression, this separates the lashes very nicely, and I think curled the lashes a little bit. So I'm going to apply second coat and also apply some on my bottom lashes. So this is how my lashes look with a second coat. I have very long lashes, but this one did a very nice job at making them longer, because the wand is kind of big and long. It's kind of hard to do the bottom lashes. So let me show you how you could quickly fix this problem with this pulley from an eyebrow pencil. You have to let this dry first and then come off very easy. So this is how this eye look with the mascara on, and this is how my eye look without any mascara. I'm going to quickly apply the mascara on this eye. So these are my lashes with the mascara on. I have to say that I really like this kind of a finish. It's not something natural, but because I don't like to wear false lashes, I really like a dramatic application with my mascara. The formula is very wet, so the product kind of gets everywhere. I already have the mascara tube covered in mascara. So before I will give you my final impressions, I have to apply something on my lips. And for my lipstick, I am going to apply this Sephora lip stain in Marvelous Mauve. This is my favorite lip stain by Sephora. I really like this lip stain. Has a very nice finish, lasts all day, and the color is very nice. So this is the finished makeup look. Final impressions on the mascara by Sephora, this Big By Definition mascara. I really like the finish of it. I think this curls the lashes, which is nice because my lashes are a little bit straight and need a little bit of a curl. At the second layer gets a little bit clumpy, and you will get this result, volumizing but dramatic lash look. For me, I like this kind of a finish at the mascara, but the one thing that I'm curious about is that my lashes will look the same throughout the day, if this will flake or something like this. So I will definitely keep you updated about the wear of this mascara. I will wear it again, but as a first impression, I like that it's easy to use. Don't take so much time to apply the product on the lashes. If you want a more natural finish, make sure to apply just one layer. But if you like this heavy, dramatic finish, I recommend you this mascara. I really like how my makeup turned out today. I would love to know your opinion in the comments down below. And also, please let me know if you have this mascara and if you like it. Everything that I have on my face right now, I've used them before on my channel, but I will link everything in the description box below. So that's it for today's video. This is the finished makeup look. I hope this video was helpful and I hope that you like it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also ring the bell to be notified when I upload. I post every week, so make sure to hit the notification bell. I hope you'll have a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!